All right, let's talk build considerations. First big one, when you're constructing your robot, build these posts first. Put them in first before the motors. If you do not put in these posts before the motors, you will find it extremely awkward to put in the posts. So that's huge. Another big one, if you're trying to attach the motors to the wires, first of all, you got to get the wire. So we got a big pile of wire, which you can make whatever size you want. Go a touch big, so it works. Cut off a chunk using these guys. And then you can push out some wires. I recommend using pliers, push on the bottom, get some at the top, and there's a whole bunch of solid core wires here which we can pull out and end up with something like this. And that's great for attaching to a motor. So, how you attach your motors to the wires, we're just going to go with something simple. First of all, these are the terminals right here. These guys right there. Notice they got little holes in them. We're going to stick a wire, which we've stripped using our wire strippers. This one are my orange ones. So we put it through the hole. Put the wire through the hole. And then bend it. So you get kind of like a U shape, like that. And then to make sure it's always in contact, you just take your pliers and you just crush the heck out of it. You crush the heck out of it, then it's theoretically possible to undo if ever your wire breaks, which can happen. But you should have a good strong electrical contact at all times, so that's really nice. Okay, last design consideration. If you take your battery pack, notice this is what's called stranded wire. Actually, this is feeling not too bad. So you might be able to press this into your, you may be able to press this into your breadboard directly. If you're having trouble and find it's not making a good contact, it's not staying attached well, then you can come to me and I can solder some solid core wires onto these. If it's working great, keep using it. I mean, I'd recommend using wire strippers to give you a bit more wire so you get a slightly better contact. But if that's not giving you a good attachment point, you want a good attachment of power to your robot. So just come to see me and I will solder them for you. That's it for design considerations.